Today we are programming the SensaMist S1000 Scent Diffuser. To do this, first we want to program the current day and the current time. So to do this, press the set button and you'll see the hours start blinking. So we use these up and down arrows to adjust the hours. So we're going to set this for 8 a.m. Press the set button and the minutes start blinking. So again, you use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes. And now we have 8 a.m. Press the set button again, and you'll see the day blinking at the top. So use the up and down arrows to go through the days of the week. This is going to be Tuesday, so we set this for Tuesday at 8 a.m. Press set, and the current day and current time is set on the diffuser. Next, we're going to program an event period. To do this, you want to have an idea of the parameters you want to set beforehand before you go into programming. We're going to set this for 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. This is a 24-hour clock, so keep that in mind. So this is actually going to be from 8 a.m. to 1700 p.m. each day. So we press the mode button and it advances to the event on period. You'll see event 1 here. Press the set button and the hours start blinking. We're going to go down to 8. Press set and we advance to the minutes. We're going to go to 00, so we have 800 hours. Press set again and you'll see the days of the week blinking at the top. So we're going to do Monday through Friday. So we're just going to use the up and down arrows until we see Monday through Friday blinking at the top. And press set again. And then we're going to advance to the event off period. So press mode again. And we're going to program this for 1700 hours. So we're going to use the up and down arrows to take us to 1700. Press set again. The minutes will start blinking. You can use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes. Press set again, and you don't have to do the days of the week again because that was already set during the event on period. So we press mode and we go to the spray length. Now this is in seconds and we use the up and down arrows to adjust the number of seconds. For the scent work, we're going to go down to a 10-second spray. This will be the length of spray in seconds, so this will spray for 10 continuous seconds. Press mode again, and this will be the interval between sprays or the scent pause. So again, we use the up and down arrows. So for a more intense fragrance, you're going to want a longer spray and shorter interval. And for a less intense, you're going to want a shorter spray and a longer interval. So we're going to go to a 120-second interval between sprays using the up and down arrows. And press mode. And we get to event 2. You're going to want to mode through event 2, event 3, event 4, and mode again, and we're back at our home screen, which shows our current day and current time. And now the SensaMist S1000 diffuser is programmed for Monday through Friday operation, 8 a.m. to 1700.